Give me a little bit of a pullback on that Heikinashi. There we go. Let's see if that works. 2 more seconds to go. Nice push down, and that is a win. Hey everybody, Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. We have a brand new strategy today, never seen before on this YouTube channel. Using fractal chaos. This is an indicator inside a pocket option. This is from one of our VIP members. He has not had a loss using this strategy. Codename Pink Lady. And yes, we do have a clip. We do have a clip. And here it is. I'm going to go ahead and play this back for you. You can see him entering trades. And you can see him win these trades. And he also shows his history. Look at this. Mind blown. Fractal chaos. Codename Pink Lady. I'm going to show you how to do it today, right on this video. Let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Now, there's just a few things that you're going to need to do because the strategy itself is pretty simple. To set this up, you're going to want to use 30-second time frame over here. And you're going to want to set your candles to Heikinashi. Okay, so please don't forget to do that. This is going to only be using these candles, and the expiry time is going to be 5 seconds. So yes, you will need to use OTC, so make sure to add some OTC pairs up at the top of pocket option up here. So those are easily accessible. And one indicator, guys, that you're going to have to use today, that's going to be the Fractal Chaos over here on the indicators menu. Fractal Chaos bands. Okay, and as soon as you load that up, just to the left of the name of that indicator, you're going to find a little pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that. You've got some options here. You're going to change the period to 3. Okay, and the styles, you're going to make these all pink. Hence the code name Pink Lady. All right, you got to use pink or it won't work. Maybe? But that's what they say. So go ahead and let's click on Save. And your chart should look something like this. All right, how does the strategy work? What you're going to do, you're going to pay close attention to the Fractal Chaos bands, which is the pink area. Okay? Kind of like Bollinger Bands, but these are just a little bit more squared off. You're looking for the price to escape these bands. A breakout, either up or down with the Heikinashi candles. If it breaks out of the bands, you go in for a trade. Let's grab the handy little pencil here. And yep, there we go. Just like you can, let me go ahead and delete that. Just like you can see right here, Heikinashi candles breaking to the downside. When you see a strong push, some strength breaking out of the Fractal Chaos bands, you go in for a trade right there. Okay? This is happening all the time. Now, this also works if it's breaking up. So right here, green candlesticks, guys, breaking up out of the bands. Look at that. Now, I've been looking back at the history here of the price action. It happens most of the time, okay? I wouldn't say it's going to be every time. Maybe it's going to be like 90% of the time. Hopefully, we're going to try it out right on this video. You can see it breaking out of the bands here, and look what happens. It continues down. It continued down a little bit right here, breaking out of the bands, but it has turned around and went the other direction. Okay, so you're going to have to be careful here, guys. But look at this. It broke out of the bands right here. A lot of strong downward movement. Look at that. And you're only going to go in for 5 seconds. So this is going to be quick. I will also be using the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager on this video, which is a highly advanced trade manager with mathematical calculations that allows you to win even if you have losses. And this is available to all of the VIP members inside of our private Telegram group. So we're going to be using this today. I upped my balance a little bit from $300. Now I'm using $500 of the real account balance inside of Pocket Option. Let's come over to the trade manager. Let's enter the first trade amount, which is $3. Over here, this is going to be our first trade size. Okay, everything looks good. And now let's go over to the chart. And look, it's already happening, guys. It's already happening. Look at this. Just broke out just now. Breaking out of the bands. This is the 30-second chart, so I think you're going to find plenty of setups. So we can just change the chart if we want to, but I'm trying to catch it as soon as it breaks out of the bands, either up or down. Look at that. Good push there. Should we enter? Let's wait for a little bit of a pullback. If I get a little bit of a pullback, maybe I'll go ahead and enter on that Heiken Ashi, but it doesn't look like it's happening. I think we are a little bit too late on that move, but look at that. Beautiful. Here's another one over here. Look at this. And look at this. Look at this. If it breaks out of the bands, you enter, but you must see a strong push, either up or down. Okay? The secret agent, he swears by this. He's very excited to share this with us. Just looking at his progress and his wins are just incredible. So, only in the VIP group do we get these secret strategies, but sometimes I do share them publicly with you on my YouTube channel. So if you're watching this today, then congratulations. But does it really work? Does it really actually work when you're trading the markets? Because for me, it seems like 5 seconds is really fast. That makes me a little bit nervous. Let's go ahead and switch the charts and find a setup that we can enter on. Like right here, check this out. It's just about to break out. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. It's kind of hesitating there a little bit. Give us a breakout. I've got my mouse over on the buy button over here. I'm going to go ahead and enter. I'm going to enter for 2 seconds, 1 second. Oh, the first trade was a loss. Secret agent. What is the secret? Let's go over here to the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager. Mark this as a loss. The next trade amount is 521. Let's go ahead and look for another setup. Now, I've only tried this a few times, guys. This is brand new. So it looks like to me, I probably should increase that expiry time because for me, I think 5 seconds is just a little bit too fast. But that's just my opinion. You guys can do whatever you want. But if you look at the past, although past does not equal the future, but that looks pretty good. I think we were on this before. I'm going to go ahead and enter, guys. We got about 2 more seconds to go. And that was a win. Let's go back over here. That was barely a win. Let's mark this as a win. Next trade amount is 182. And let's find another setup. Looks like we could have something right here going on. Looks like it's pushing down at the lower area of that band there. Look at that. Does it look like it's trying to break out of that band a little bit? Now, I think you're supposed to wait. That's the key. The secret agent said you have to wait for the breakout. There it is. That breakout outside of that band. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I was a little nervous. I was fast on that. Give me just a little bit more push down. Come on. That was a loss. Back over here in the trade manager. Can we still win even if we have losses? That's what the trade manager is for. You know, a lot of you guys are having losses inside a pocket option, and I understand it. This trade manager was built and designed for binary options. So if that is you, if you are that person that has a difficult time for making up for losses, you may want to check it out. I've got a link in the description of this video for more information. So far, we've had 2 losses, 1 win. Looks like that's kind of slowing down a little bit. All right, give me something else. That 5 seconds is quick, guys. A little bit too quick for me. Getting just a little bit of a pullback here, but let me make sure we have the correct amount. No, we don't. 342. Let's go ahead and enter that in. If I get a little bit of a pull, come on, give me a little bit of a pullback on that Heikinashi. There we go. Let's see if that works. 2 more seconds to go. Nice push down, and that is a win over on the Trade Manager. Let's mark this as a win. And back over here on Pocket Options. So look how that played out. Now, the next trade amount is under $1, so Pocket Option does not allow us to trade with less than $1. So I'm going to go ahead and consider this session as completed. Let's go ahead and hit the reset button. Mark 1 session as completed with a session counter. And the new balance inside of Pocket Option is 503.12. Now we had 2 losses, right? Normally, if we did not have the Trade Manager, we would have had to have, oh, I don't know, like maybe 3 wins to make up for those 2 losses. But let's enter the next trade amount, which is going to be 302. And let's just keep on going, guys. Let's just keep on going. Let me make sure that I've entered everything right. Sometimes on these videos, you know, things happen. You're recording. I got a big microphone in front of me here. I've been using this microphone for years, probably, I don't know, 6, 7 years or something like that. Nice breakout, look at that. So you can see it's happening all the time. And we just need to catch these areas, guys. Look at these breakouts. Here, look at this one right here. Look at that. It just keeps, it continues its way down. I'm probably going to make an updated video. I'm going to experiment with some of the longer expiry times and then return back to this video and revisit and see if we can make this even better. Really hard to find something higher than 55% win rate. Ooh, what's going on here? This has potential. Let's go ahead and enter. We just jumped in on that quick, guys. 1 more second to go, and that is a win. Over here on the Trade Manager, mark this as a win. Next trade amount, let's just put $1. It says 97 cents. Pocket Option won't allow us to trade less than that, or less than $1, so I'll just put $1 for the amount. And let's go ahead and continue. So that was pretty risky because it did flip around on me. So that wasn't really technically a breakout. So that was just probably like pure luck on that one. That was real close, guys. This could be breaking out. A little bit risky. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and enter. That was super risky, guys, because it wasn't even a pullback. And of course, they did pull back on me. And that is a loss. Over on the Trade Manager, mark this as a loss. Next trade amount is 183. Maybe we can try this again. I'm going to go ahead and enter again. And okay, that's another loss. Next trade amount is 344. The 5-second expiry, I don't even know how the secret agent did it. But let's go ahead and change the charts. Oh, this looks pretty good. Looks like we got something going on here. Give me a good pullback. Ooh, that was, yeah. That wasn't great, guys. Another loss. That's 3 in a row. Next trade amount, 638. Let's look for another one, guys. Oh, this looks pretty good. If I get a pullback here. There we go. Give me a little bit more of a push up. 2 more seconds to go. Let's close that. And we got a winner. Mark it as a win. Next trade amount is 153. We must win 3 out of 13 trades. 153. So far we have what? We have 3 losses and 2 wins. Now, without the trade manager, we would need 4 wins in a row to come out profitable or at least break even. That'd be a lot. That'd be very difficult to do, especially for a new strategy. But with the trade manager, we only need one more trade. We only need one more win to have this session profitable. So that's awesome. 153, I've got that entered in. Looks like this is already kind of flattening out a little bit. I don't know, guys. Let's go ahead and change the chart. Oh, this has some potential. A little bit of a downward kind of overall downward trend, a little bit kind of zigzaggy though. It's really got to break out of that band, which looks like it's about to happen. Make sure we have the trade amounts correct. Everything looks good. Looks like it's breaking out, guys. If I get a pullback on that. Ooh, man. Good entry. Let's see if it does it. One more second, and there we go. That's a winner. Back over here. This session's completed. So I didn't win them all, but this is something that you guys can try out. And I would say it's a little bit more stressful than some of the other strategies. Compared to something like, the Fast 5 or the 3-bar strike, which is my favorite. Because you're looking at the candle and the way it moves. And sometimes if you don't get that pullback, you feel like if you enter, it's going to pull back on you. And so that can make it makes you a little bit nervous. I would experiment maybe with like a 10-second expiry for this strategy at the end of the day. But special thanks to Secret Agent for his video here, where he shows himself doing this. Look at that. So he's actually, you can see it breaking out. And you can see when he enters, look at that. As soon as it breaks out of the pink lady, he catches it pretty early. Look at that. Right when it just barely seeps out of the bands, he enters. And then he closes. Okay, so this was already hanging out a little bit. It wasn't right when it broke the bands, but it was just a little bit after on the second candle that was broken. It's also touching this green cloud here. But look at that. And that was close, but he did it. Look at this. So guys, try this out. I highly recommend practicing this in demo if you're using this for the very first time. And also I recommend some type of money management system such as the Trade Manager. Of course, shameless plug because this is my product. So, but I do have more information about this. You can also see the testimonials from the users that are using this Trade Manager. We've taken on several losses today during this video, although we have still come out in profit. Overall, we started with what, $500, and now we're up, almost $507, getting close to that. The Trade Manager has many different features, which allows you to enter daily profit targets. In this case, we've done a couple trading sessions today. But if my profit target, if I want to make $100 out of this $500, I will need to complete 26 sessions today with an overall account increase of 19%. We have members increasing their account gains anywhere from 5 to 50%. Results are not typical, of course. Those ranges vary between the different members. A lot of members go really, really hardcore. Some do, some do not. Now, the Trade Manager is just one of the tools out of many different spreadsheets that we have inside of the private VIP. It's, I would say, a very affordable price. It's only a one-time fee, and this is for lifetime, and I think you will be very surprised once you see what the price is. Again, I have more information down in the description of this video. Give it a try, guys. Let me know your results down below. I wish you all the best of success, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Hey everybody, Mark here. I have a question for you. Are you struggling to become profitable with binary options? Does it seem like no matter how many wins you get, Your account balance is either going down or it just seems to stay in the same spot. Well, I've got a solution for you. It's called the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager, and it gives you the potential to make between 5 and 10% on your account every day. You could have multiple losses in a row and still come out profitable. And you guys know that, having proper risk management is your key to success with trading. And this trade manager gives you that edge that you need. So join the VIP Telegram group now and get access to all my premium calculators and spreadsheets. Now's the time. It's time to take your trading to the next level. You'll find the link below in the description of this video. Have a good day.